Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set 24 hours format for your HUAWEI MateBook 16s. So we can open the start, then move on to the settings. Here find the region settings. Now change the regional format, and I'll be using, let's scroll down so that we can see. And now let's find Poland, for example, Polish Poland. Here it is. And our format just changed from AM to 24 hours. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.